Hey everyone, it's Dyanne here. I'm in my new home today and I can't wait to give you a home tour of what is our new home. Let's go and we start in the hallway. So this is our new home. Welcome, we are in the hallway. This here is the front door. And the funny thing in this house is that on every floor you can walk in circles. Okay, now behind that door there is the toilet. Here is a big garage. Let's go check that out first. As you can see, the previous owners, the garbage containers, they left artificial grass here. And they told us that this is the original kitchen because this house was built in the 60s. And this is the original kitchen. They also left an old fridge. And they used this here for storage. Previous owner also had birds. So they prepared the meal for the birds here. And this is also a very old, what is it actually? Cabinet storage thing. Now here is the washing machine and there will be the washing machine and some old brooms. This will take us to the rear garden or the backyard. But first going back inside. That one there leads you outside, by the way. We go back here in the hallway. Whoops, this is a really tiny toilet, but it works. The door is also really small. Look, pretty small, pretty, well, old, and the ceiling is quite high. But we're going to renew this. So quickly close the door, because I want to take you to, well, what shall we say? We can go to the living room or to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen first. Now, here we are. This is the dining area. There we have the rear garden. Look, they left an old antique lamp here. Really funny. All the elderly people here have something like this. Like I said, here will be the dining area. They also left the garden set there and some mail. Now, this is the rear garden. And this here will take that away. The shed will go away too. That's where we just were, the garage. There's the door that leads us to the backyard. And they also have some seats here. They love artificial grass. Also on the roof, they also have artificial grass. But I don't think we love gardening that much. So goodbye greenery. We'll make something different. This here is the original kitchen. We got a bottle of, I think, champagne or something from the estate agent. And the previous owners got one too. This kitchen will be totally taken out. We sold it to someone else and today we got the keys and tomorrow they will be here removing the whole kitchen. So we don't have to do that anymore. Here through this door you can also go to the rear garden or the backyard. And here we have a really scary part of the house actually. This is the heater for the heating and also a little bit of storage room here. Well, I think this is a perfect room for the vacuum cleaner or something like that. Now, let's go. Close this door first. Let us go from the dining area. Look, you can see still they had a big, how do you call that, cabinet there. You can still see the difference in the paint and also on the floor there. This will be the view. That's not our car, by the way. And now we go to the living area. I'll show you from this side here. This is the complete living area. This is a marble fireplace, I believe. And this is a gas-operated thing. But we're going to remove the inner section. And Jenny said, well, don't you paint the whole marble section because that is a little bit of salmon color. Really... I'll give it a close-up for you. I hope you can see properly. A little bit of orange, pink, and they also had a tile in there. I have no idea why they have a hole in the wall here. And also there, and that we saw in a picture, this was being used by the previous owners to store the wood for the fireplace. So we're going to remove that part, then we're going to, I hope that we're going to replace it with an artificial one. And the whole marble will be painted in black. Now here we have a big wall. And look just how many windows there are here. This is incredibly big. And this was the fun thing. We can go now through that door and we are back in the hallway. Now I'm going to take you up the stairs for the next part of the home. We are upstairs now. Let's go to, well, we can also walk around here. I think here through the bathroom. Now this is a bathroom from the Zeros. Hi. And this here is the heater. And the tiles will be removed. Hi everyone. This is, well, the sink. We will get a new one. And this one will be, removed too. We have the toilet here. And a shower. Everything here in the bathroom will be renewed. So yeah, tiny space, but perfect for, cleaning yourself. Now here's the hallway. This wall, by the way, here you see is going downwards, and then here on this side, let's say, is the marble fireplace. So this is actually the old chimney. Now look, they also have a really funny hole in that wall too there. Let's go and peek through it. Here. Now this goes upstairs. We'll first go back again here to the first bedroom. This is a small bedroom, or small, this is one of the smallest. And yeah, they have old wallpaper that will be removed. There was a cord which you can pull, and then the light, which has been removed, it was here, will go on or off. Let me stand in the corner for you. Look, this is a closet. There is another one there, I believe, or that one goes to the other bedroom. And yeah, we'll get new curtains as well, new floor, and a new wall. Or actually, the wall will be painted. I will remove the wallpaper. Okay, then we go back here to bedroom number 2. Look, here is the other part of the cabinet. This was very popular in the Netherlands in the 60s. Then you have 1, 2, 3 cabinets on one wall for both of the bedrooms. Let me close this one. Oh, it smells really funny. Another window. Look, here is the power cord still on. I can't use it because also here, no lamp anymore. There is a lamp, but that one doesn't work, so they left it behind. And here is actually the complete floor. There was a bed here, as you can see. So this is bedroom number 2. Now we're going to the master bedroom. We can go through that way, but also through this way. We go here. Original where we were going, this here, you can view outside on the garage. This is the master bedroom. These were originally, as you can see, 2 bedrooms, because the cabinet you saw in the first 2 bedrooms were also in between here. Well, the previous owners just completely removed it, and now we have a really big badass bedroom for just the 2 of us. Let me close the door. Here is another super cool string for the lights. And here was the bed of the previous owners. We just saw them this afternoon. Here will be our cabinet for the clothes. Look, let me stand here in the corner. This is really big. I think we can do a cardio up here. What an enormous amount of space. Here is wall 2. And look, you can still see it there. There was for the other bedroom also a power cord for the light. Okay, now the final level is the roof. Let's go. Here we have an open stairs leading through the attic, but this will be closed because I think this looks really scary and I'm super afraid to get stuck between or fall down or slip through it, even if you have small children, for example. Look, super scary if you ask me. Now I'm going upwards. Here was a really funny peek through hole. Let's go upstairs, and here we have the attic. This will be our working space. This is just a big old, or big, not old, really big closet. And here This is the complete attic. Actually, not really special. The wall or the window dress thing will be removed as well. We will paint this whole thing. Now let's move to the balcony or the... Oh, this one is stuck really bad. I have to open this up. There it goes. Open up this one too. Let's go outside. And now here as well, you can just take a walk around. This will be our terrace here. Nice view. And everywhere there is artificial grass. Now this is the chimney. Here you can see it. The door. There are the neighbors. And look, you can just literally walk around the whole thing. And I think that is super funny to do. Some old tiles here. Don't think we're going to use them because this is what underneath the grass. And we're also going to remove that too. And now we are here back all around. Well, that was our home. I hope you enjoyed watching this view. So that was the home tour for today. I hope that you like what you saw. If you have questions, you want anything to know or say to us, then please write it down in the comment section. And we'd love to see you again in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.